At MWC 22 in Barcelona, we've come over to, dare I say, one of the quieter areas of the Fujitsu stand. It's busy elsewhere, a moment of relative quietness. Anthony, it's a shame because this is what you need people to think about, optical transport. Tell us what it's about.
So optical transport, when you're dealing with mobility and RF, eventually everything has to go under the ground or over a pair of fiber. That's the end game, right? To get to the core network where all the fun stuff happens. And transport is required to get there. So there are different ways to handle that kind of transport, whether you're a small cell, whether you have macro cells, different types of cells. But ultimately, this is the way to get that.
And people are missing, in some ways, the importance of this, aren't they? They're missing why they've got to know about this and deal with it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And what is a shame with this is transport is the big deal. It's the underlayment over everything. You know, the wireless stuff gets all the fame and all the glitz and glamour, and which is great. And it has its uses, but this is the foundation of it all.
Why do you think it's important?
As we start to evolve from 5G to 6G, there is a requirement for more bandwidth. And that includes the transport. You can't just rely on the transport systems that you currently have, because as you grow, while you can add capacity to that existing system, eventually that system will have to change and evolve with your mobility needs. And that's why Fujitsu is a great fit for that, because we are developing chipsets that can be flexible and change with you.
So the exciting thing is that this allows that to happen, and the development of the chips that will facilitate that.
Yes.
Where does this back up the greener side of life?
Well, the greener side of life is held in that chipset itself. We take the power, we minimize it, we cool it more efficiently. We basically take it and become much more of a greener technology from within. And then we incorporate that, and then our systems become more energy efficient. And then therefore, we are just much more greener from there.